Last year it was here when President Asif Ali Zardari received a hoax telephone call which brought Pakistan and India almost to the brink of war. Even the strong walls of Hyderabad jail could not stop the intentions of Omar Saeed Shaikh to further fuel the relations between two arch-rival nuclear states, Pakistan and India, when both countries were in the middle of the Mumbai crisis. Many believe that Umar has the capacity to do what he can even from the jail.
Yeah, if you ask me his capacity, so as what I know him, he has a lot of potential and a lot of capacity. So let's see, being in jail or anywhere.
Omar Saeed, who was convicted in the killing of Daniel Pearl, a US journalist, in July 2002. He first drew media attention when he was arrested in India in 1994, when he was trying to kidnap some foreigners. Later on, he was released from an Indian jail on the demand of the hijackers of an Indian airline in Afghanistan. Former President General Retired Pervez Musharraf, in his book In the Line of Fire, mentioned Omar Saeed Shaikh as an intelligence agent first recruited by the British intelligence agency MI6. But experts say why the government did not trial Omar in that case.
Agent injected by some foreign intelligence agencies, then he must be tried in this case as well if you have proof.
Hoax calls by Umar raise serious questions about the Pakistani prisons. If a militant can talk to the top leadership of the country from his prison cell, why can't he run a militant network? Azaz Syed, Dawn News, Islamabad.